Did you know that even though we don't normally remember between the moment when we're about to sleep at yung time nagigising na tayo, ay nahahati pala sa apat na stages ang ating pagtulog. Number one is the moment when we fall asleep. Number two, ito naman yung light sleep stage na kung minsan, we easily woke up due to some noises or just getting startled. Pangatlo ay ang deep sleep na kung saan ang heart rate natin slows down at ang body temperature ay bumababa rin. And the last stage is the rapid eye movement. Literally inside ay gumagalaw ang ating mga mata despite nakapikit o tulog tayo. Sinasabayan naman ito ng pagiging more relaxed ng ating katawan or to a point ng hindi paggalaw nito. And the brain becomes more active as well, just as our brains do when we're awake at dito naman pumapasok yung dreaming episodes. Mareremember mo man ang dreams mo or not when you're awake. Now, this whole cycle typically lasts from 90 minutes to 2 hours. That explains yung time na minsan natutulog ka ng 11 p.m. ay bigla-bigla kang nagising ng 1 a.m. Marami naman sa atin goes through 4 up to 6 of these cycles every night. At dito pumapasok yung recommended length of sleep hours natin of 6 to 10 hours every night in order to ensure good health and well-being. It always matters when you take control of your own health.